7 hilarious tips to spruce up your website because boring is so last century. 7 hilarious tips to spruce up your website because boring is so last century. Clarify your message, make it so obvious even your grandma gets it. Ensure your homepage spells out your gig in simple terms. If visitors can't figure out what you do faster than they can say, chocolate chip cookie, you've got a problem. Strong call to action, make them click like it's a hot new meme. Plant a crystal clear call to action, CTA, on your homepage. Whether it's scheduling a call, signing up for a service, or downloading a resource, don't make it a mystery novel. Make it more like a choose your adventure book without all the flipping. Optimize for mobile, because your website should look good in skinny jeans too. With more people glued to their smartphones than to their morning coffee, make sure your website is smartphone ready. Test it on various screens. You don't want your site to look like it's wearing outdated bell bottoms. Speed it up, Usain Bolt called, he wants your website's speed secrets. Website loading speed is the Beyoncé of user experience, crucial. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to check if your site is on a coffee break. If it is, wake it up. SEO Basics, because Google is basically the high school crush of the internet. Sprinkle in some SEO magic. Use keywords like you're trying to impress a search engine prom date. Create meta descriptions, not love letters, and make your website content as search engine friendly as a loyal golden retriever. Quality visuals, it's like a fashion show, but for your website. Ditch pixelated images and videos that look like they were shot on a potato. Go for high quality visuals that make your brand look so good that even your competitor gives a slow clap. Avoid clutter, it's not a garage sale. Oh, and say no to files that are bigger than your grandma's secret apple pie recipe. Regular updates, because your website isn't a fossil. Keep your content as fresh as a just minted dollar bill. Regularly toss in new stuff or give the old pages a makeover. It's like giving your website a spa day, it feels good, and people notice. Plus, Google loves a site that's not stuck in the 90s. Grab our freebie. https://www.newbeginning.com/chat-SEO. Resource you need. https://www.SEO Masterclass. You can obtain the PDF for this video by making a request. Connect with us at weekare@newbeginning.com. https://www.beginning.com/freebies for you. www.newbeginning.com/www.mynewbeginning.com